buy in, cause you sell out.
Go stupid.
Yeah, let's talk about the real. We part in the tears, been a lot. Jesse made bad, my sister got cancer, so I said it gone out the jet a lot. Some days I can't take it, my marriage is shaky. I fake it and talk with my friends a lot. Plus God took my child, I wanna go wild, I'm smiling, holding my chin a lot. See daddy was gone, I don't know the man. Like he at home all alone again. Money from saving my soda cans. Drink about the days I was older, man. Bullies my pain, it's the hardest fight. Now realizing pain is a part of life. Don't mean to complain, you're feeling insane. It's shame, it drain like a water pipe. Rebel, Super Saiyan through the pain, I'm better. Streets of gold with a gold bezel, pale moonlight dancing with the devil. Run the race trying to get the medal. Cleanse me, Lord, like a precious metal. Prove my metal when they try to meddle. The devil had a plan, but he failed. God weighed my spirit on a scale. Demons want me dead, I wish you well.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. We are out here bright and early. It is such a beautiful morning. I can already tell it's going to be a great day. Just real quick, we have a lot to cover here in the intro of this video. So if you did click just on the thumbnail and the title, you can fast forward a little bit if you want. But for the subscribers, we have a ton to go over. As you can see behind me here, we do have both the razors on the white gooseneck here. We got most of the toys outside of the shop today because we have a mess in the shop, a lot of stuff going on in there that we're going to talk about. But how good do the razors look on the trailer here this morning? You could see in the last video, Ovi was cleaning this sucker up and tried to take it to a car show, but couldn't even get in the parking lot, so I had to circle right back and dump these things off. And I don't know what's going on here, but look at how this trailer's held up. This has me absolutely cracking up. Nothing but safety around here. Look at that bad boy. I would say, let's not stand under that booger, but look at how good the razors look. If you did watch our last couple of videos, we had the CF Moto reveal, we had the Power Stroke reveal, and previous to that, the L5P reveal, which we're actually going to be talking about more today as we go back into that series. We kind of just had to pause for a minute because we wanted to show you guys some of those other projects that we have going on and then jump back into the L5P footage. So we got so much going that it's just nonstop around the clock, and I'm desperately trying to keep up. That coolant hose that came off had no clamp on it, put it right back on, getting a clamp on there, and it doesn't look like it's continuing to leak, and this thing was an absolute ripper if you didn't see me. Couple short rips on it, nothing crazy, but these things look so hot and incredible. We have the load trail over here. That's what we're going to get to today, that box there. But let's go over, and probably the biggest news that has been sitting for 2 years, that is the skid loader. If you guys go back and can see when we picked this thing up, and it's been sitting ever since. But guess what? We got the engine parts that we needed to replace this, and Ovi obviously drug it out of the shop and is doing the engine rebuild on this sucker. The engine's not in there just yet, but we have everything we need. He's super motivated to get this sucker back on the road because the driveway needs work. He wants to dig out the foundation for the pool out back and just all kinds of cool stuff. I got a special video in mind for this thing as well, but it just looks so cool out here, and just finally to get some progress on it is just absolutely epic. The Ranger here has been relisted on Marketplace. The post expired and we let it sit. We had a trade deal lined up, and guys, I'll try to put the clip on here, but it was a 6.4 Power Stroke. I know, the worst Power Stroke ever made, but this thing ain't perfect either. But it was such a cool truck, and I was really hoping we were gonna pull that one off so we could have another truck on the channel. This thing, we had a guy come up from Missouri actually to buy it for cash. He wanted to have it for his wife, and then he got up here and he's like, oh my gosh, this is way too serious for what she needs it for. So ended up backing out. We thought the trade deal would go through. It did not. Long story short, somebody come by with the cash for that red 6.4, so the guy ended up taking the cash. That's fine, that's fair. I kind of went through the same thing with the race truck. Tons of good offers for trades, but at the end, the cash is king when you need it. So this thing's back on the market if you guys want it. 22s, 35s, massive Ranger, all the potential. Skid loader getting back to work, trailers over there. Let's head inside the shop. Hey, and real quick guys, do not say anything about how filthy it is, okay? Because obviously we're gonna get it taken care of. Okay, so we had to move the outdoor kitchen setup out of the way to drag the skid loader out. So that's still a work in progress. Tons of welding going on here. Let me get on the pretty side of it. You're showing on the back side, boy. But yeah, a lot of cutting, a lot of welding. Ovi's been working nonstop on this, and the dang CF Moto. If you guys didn't see the reveal on this sucker, look at it already. And who is shocked? Not me by any means. And if you've been around the channel, you know nothing can stay stock around here. So this thing got the old hack job on it, and it just looks hilarious broken down like this. And it's hard with something brand new. Still got the new car smell on it, but she is stripped down. Look at it. How hard would it be for you to take your brand new toy and just take the cutoff wheel and Sawzall to it and go to town? But all the parts are taken off of it now, so I guess it's got to stay, because I doubt they're taking it back at this point. Look at them all. All the plastics, all the seats, the stereo, the roll cage, and you can see where he had to take the cutoff wheel to a bunch of different places on here to cut this sucker off. And it's just so dang funny to me, because who else does that? Sawzall, crowbar, hammer, cutoff wheels, the beds off it. I mean, jeez, that's so funny. Let's try to get it over here. Gosh, it's so dirty. Don't look at it. Look at how funny that is. Should just rip it like that. I don't know, guys. There's the rest of the skid loader parts, a little turb ski to get that sucker back in gear. See all the John Deere official parts, one of good quality parts, obviously, to go back together on this thing. So hopefully he can get this wrapped up in the next several days and then drop it back in. And we might have some action coming for you with the old skid loader, the CF Moto. Trying to come up with a color scheme on this, trying to come up with wheel and tires, stereo, and just a general theme. So a lot going on. As you can tell, I'm all over the place, but we just got so much cool stuff. We got engine goodies coming for the L5P. Look at it. Man, that thing is beautiful. So stick around. HSP's got us hooked up with the engine goodies for this. This thing's going to be absolutely killer. But if you guys haven't seen yet, here is the new 2021 with the 2024 Ultimate conversion that we're doing here on the truck. Got the forces, gotta have the forces. Paint match suspension, paint match mirrors, paint match door trim, upgraded LEDs. Got the, what do we got in there? The AT4 seats inside. Got the big Tesla screen. Let's see if that booger cut on. Yo, look at that sucker. So got the Tesla screen, but we got no floor mats, and that's what we got to get into today. Here's the back. Got to get our cab lights on, got some more trim accessories, some plastics. We got a lot going on still, no headliner. So, but in pictures it does great. Every time I log into the gram, there's more and more likes on this truck, and I'm glad you guys like it as much as we do, because this sucker is crazy, so epic. Got my truck over here, not much going on, kind of have it out here for the HSP videos, so that'll make sense, cover some of that stuff, but both trucks look good today. Boy, do they. But let's get over here and talk about today's stuff. So yes, today's video, guys, has been sponsored by Lasfit, so we are super excited to work with these guys to get the floor mats put in for the L5P. These things look absolutely sick. I was talking to Ovi about parts that he wants for this truck. That was one of them he suggested, so I reached out. The guys were super interested over there, and then I always like to, you know, fact check some of these companies before, you know, we go ahead and do it. We get a lot of offers from random companies we've never heard of or can pronounce a lot of times, but I always punch it into Google and then I punch it into the gram, see if any other guys are following them. Well, we had 71 mutual friends with Lasfit, and Street Speed 717 was one of them. So as soon as I see Mike on there, I'm like, we gotta do it. So I got on the website. You guys should too. They got all kinds of cool mats for your trucks. They got auto lighting, all kinds of accessories. Nice website. Punch in your vehicle, see what they got. And guys, I'm super pumped to open these up and see how good they're gonna look. I went ahead and actually bought a cheap set too from the local Dollar General. I got some cheap floor mats from Dollar General, so that way if you're like, Joe, these are only $20 mats, well, I'll show you what $20 mats look like, and then we'll look at the Lasfit. We'll kind of do a side-by-side. I figured that'd be kind of cool, so I don't know, you guys want to open them on the load trail or you want to get them inside? Sun's starting to come up. All right, so here's my nice Dollar General mats. Look at that. You get 4 mats for 20 bucks. They might not even been 20 bucks. They might have been like 15 or 17. I don't remember. But look at these sad boys. Just little thin floppy things. I don't know. So we'll get these opened up. But here's the Lasfit. Look at how nice this looks and some of the things they got. perfect fit. They laser fit these specifically to the vehicle, which is awesome. Pet friendly, you know, we got Diesel, our dog, so got to have him in there. Looks like it's good for all temperatures. If it gets 167 here, we're screwed. Easy to clean, take up, spray them down, slip resistant, durable, eco-friendly. We ain't got no eco diesels out here, boy. But anyways, we can pop this sucker open and see exactly what they look like. And I'll set these out too, just so we can get a side-by-side. Side-by-side, get it? Well, oh my gosh, I can already tell a massive difference. Look at how big the rear seat ones are. Oh my gosh, it takes up the entire screen. Look at this little thing. How's this gonna fit in the back seat? And they're individually plastic wrapped with an owner's manual. Look at that, even cooler. Where's my owner's manual at over here? Ain't got one, of course. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the plastic off them so we can really see them. Oh, look at that, even specially fit to lock into place. No lock in placer. No, none. Come on. And wow, can you see that, guys? What an incredible difference. I thought they were gray for a second, but they are black. And look at how crazy that looks. Look at how nice their logo is on these things, and the tread pattern look like some ridge graps over here. That looks super incredible. We're not getting anything like that out of them fuzzy things over there. But man, I was actually kind of scared making this video. I'm like, it's easy to get excited about, you know, wheels and tires, turbo, engine parts. I'm like, how in the heck am I going to get excited about floor mats? But the minute I opened this box, I like gasped. I was like, oh my gosh, I see what the hype is about now. These things are so incredible. They're gonna look amazing in the L5P. I can't wait to get over there and put them in. All right, for the absolutely dramatic effect, we'll go ahead and take these ones over there first. Slap these suckers in, see what these look like over there, and then we'll put the Lasfit in after that. And yeah, they're just gonna look so crazy. I can already tell I'm like racing. Good thing I got the running shoes on today, boy, because we gotta run to the races. Here we go. But anyways, we can slide them in there. Yeah, see, they're doing their thing. They don't even cover up the whole carpet. I mean, come on. What about, I ain't even gonna worry about the other side. Let's go ahead and take this one in the back though. See how much room, oh yeah, we got all the stuff in the way. Come on, boost. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Look at that. That ain't doing nothing. Come on, boy. I ain't even gonna do the other side because these things, come on. No, get out of there. Come on, get out of there, boy. Yeah, perfect. Sorry for the fit there. You think I need more Celsius? Where'd my Celsius go? I think I pitched it already. I'm sorry, guys. I'm goofy this morning. It's early. Now, I was just about to put them all in and then show you guys, but already with the first one, I'm so pumped that I want to show you at how well that laser engineering works. You can see the little step up on the side here. It fits right over that. It even locks over top here around the corners and got that nice edge on it to prevent any of the dirt or the water from going into the carpet. So let's try to not cover up his USB deal, whatever that is. Oh gosh, I got a bug in my eye. And then it actually will lock right into place into here. So check this out, if I can get that bug out. Oh, I got it. Told you, legitimate bug in my eye. Now how about that for a fit? Ain't that just perfect? Especially since this is brand new carpet on this build. That's what we had to wait for forever, was the new carpet. So obviously want to take care of it, and these floor mats are going to do an awesome job. Lasfit, look at it. Boy, that is absolutely hot. Never mind the dirt. Ovi had it out in the field. I actually tried to clean it up a little bit. The forces are insanely hard to clean, by the way. But she's a little dirty. That's all right. We'll get the rest of them in here. We'll get the bubble all of them in there, and then I'll show you. And wow, guys, look at that fit. It's legitimately covering the entire floor at this point. Let's see if we can flip the seats up carefully. Look at that. It covers the entire floor. Those cheap little things would have never done anything. Look at how crazy that is. These look so freaking insane. Let's try to get it from the other side. Don't look at it. I bet your Ultimate doesn't look like this. We got parts hanging off this sucker left and right. That's because it's not a real Ultimate, bro. Yeah, isn't the internet people awesome? Most of them are. I gotta watch it. Anyways, look at how incredible that looks, guys. I am just blown away at how nice these floor mats really are. I see what you're paying for, guys, and I'm already gonna tell you, just go ahead and do it. I know this video is sponsored, but still, I wouldn't say it. I wouldn't even show you the video if they were junk. These are so good. Freaking love them. Absolutely insane the way they hug all the corners. They're gonna be able to catch all the water, dirt, debris, and then we can take them out, spray them down, and yeah, away we go. We can put all this junk back on the floor. Gotta take care of the seats, boy. Yeah. Wow. All right, I've rambled enough, guys. I got to get to work on the engine bay parts here next. That was a lot of fun with the floor mats, and big shout out to Lasfit again. Make sure you guys get on there, follow them, get on the website, order you some mats, some lighting, some accessories, everything they have to offer. And I just want to thank all you guys for all the love and support on this build, on all the builds on the channel. Stick around if you're new, because we got all kinds of cool stuff coming. I just can't even breathe. It's so amazing, but I love y'all. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.